Residents on the Jersey Shore are keeping a close watch on the waves, fearing flooding. Crews are building barriers to keep the water at bay. CBS News' Meg Baker joins us live from Belmar. Meg.
Mary, we're on 5th Avenue and Ocean right here on the boardwalk in Belmar, and you can barely see the ocean because these dunes have been built up so high with the hopes that they will act as a barrier against high tides and very strong winds this weekend. Now, I spoke to the mayor and residents about these preps. Military-grade plows have been working hard all morning in Belmar, pushing sand dunes into place. And residents are hopeful these obstacles will do their job to keep the ocean at bay, away from their homes.
I'm ready. Yeah, as ready as we can be.
Rick Peterson lives 2 blocks from the beach and can't imagine having to deal with another major storm like Superstorm Sandy.
I was here for Sandy, so hopefully we won't be having boats come down the street. We had about 5-6 feet of ocean rushing down the street with pieces of the boardwalk literally like 2 blocks down the street.
Belmar Mayor Matt Doherty is surveying the coast with a drone.
Some of the dunes have taken a beating over the course of the winter, so that's all going to get strengthening as well. So it's an interesting technology that we're deploying for the first time that allows us to get a better view.
His main concern is not snowfall or precipitation, but is right here on the beach with a dangerous combination of a lunar high tide and strong winds.
If you live in a low-lying area, move your car to a higher area. We believe there is a high probability of flooding on the streets, a moderate probability of flooding into people's homes.
The worst flooding is expected around 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on Saturday during high tide.
Right now it's reported anywhere 35 to 40 mile-an-hour winds with up to 60 mile-an-hour gusts. That could make anything a projectile.
And there's more to it. Waves 12 feet high could pound this coastline, eroding beaches and putting towns at a greater risk for flooding.
Just stop and get a 30-pack of beer and I'll sit home and watch TV. What are you going to do?
Now, the mayor says right now there is no need for evacuation, but he does want residents to be prepared. Go out now if you have to go food shopping. Run your errands today because he does not want people out on the roads during this storm. Also, he is in contact with the local power company and just wants to warn residents of the possibility of power outages. Now, today we will be up and down the coastline. We'll be checking out different shore towns and how they are preparing, and we'll have an update for you later on today. For now, we're live in Belmar. Meg Baker, CBS 2 News.
Meg.